Pakistani civilians should not be tried in military courts. So far, 52 people in the Punjab province have been handed over for trials in military courts due to their alleged involvement in protests on May 9th when former Prime Minister Imran Khan was illegally arrested. Some of the protests got violent and included attacks on a Corps Commander house in Lahore, but video evidence and personal accounts indicate that these attacks were planned by the authorities themselves to justify a further crackdown on Imran Khan and his political party because it has widespread public support and has been demanding free and fair elections. Trying civilians in military courts is a violation of Pakistan's obligations under international human rights law, specifically the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Article 14 of the ICCPR guarantees civilians the right to a trial before a competent, independent, and impartial tribunal established by law. Amnesty International has said that military courts in Pakistan are not independent courts, and many human rights violations have been documented from civilian trials in Pakistani military courts. Pakistani government officials have also said that Imran Khan himself should be tried in a military court because he is the architect of the attacks on May 9th. This is a baseless argument because Khan was in jail at the time of the attacks and has always told his supporters to remain peaceful during protests. Imran Khan said that he has no doubt that he will be tried in a military court and thrown in jail because this is the authorities' only hope of removing him as a political opponent. Khan has already been fighting over 150 bogus, politically motivated cases in civilian courts. These cases keep getting delayed and have no merit. We're joining international human rights groups globally to demand that the Pakistani government transfers civilians who are being tried in military courts to the civilian justice system.